Hello and welcome to all of you on my productive and skill oriented training platform. So before going with this industry related critical skill learning session, it's a kind request, just press the like button so this industry oriented content will be reach out to more audience and people will learn about the IT industry skills which are directly related and demanded by the IT industry. So let's move and see what kind of parameters we will require to extract all these certificates, including the private key. So the first and important thing is that you have to consider that for this purpose there are number of third party tools available, but it's recommended that you have to go with OpenSSL. This OpenSSL tool is not only available inside the Linux or any open source operating system, but you can also install OpenSSL on any Windows operating system. It might be Windows 10, Windows 11 or any server operating system. So in this session, we are going to utilize OpenSSL for all these kinds of tasks when we are dealing with the SSL certificate. So when we are going to deploy the commands, so the first command component is pkcs12. Basically it's a command line parameter where we mentioned a complete package, because when we talk about the pfx file, we know that inside the pfx file we have the private key, the original certificate and intermediary and root certificates as well. So for that purpose, at the start of the command we just use pkcs12 to define the complete package. So it will recommended, or it's a kind of the core command line parameter when we are dealing with the OpenSSL. The second important parameter when we are dealing with the OpenSSL command is the in parameter, where we mention that it's our original pfx file from where you are going to extract any required component which you need for the deployment of your web server. So in component will be utilized with the pfx file at the start, while at the end of this command we are going to use -out command line parameter, which mention that provide us the output regarding this command, which means that we have pkcs12 which will go to the pfx file and will extract private key or CA chain certificate or the original certificate file and provide out file which we just mentioned inside this command. So when we are dealing with the extraction operations, you have to remember these three major command line parameters. The first one is pkcs12, the second one is -in, and the last one is -out. So